Very good morning. Well, I am Rajneesh here. Today, I have selected a very important topic, and that is model. MODAL. This is needed for class 8, class 9th, and the class 10th exam. This is a very special chapter that will make you confident about more verbs. Here, the helping verbs enhance, upgrades the value addition of your expression. It gives a very determined, very effective, and very expressive statements before listeners. Actually, the word model, MODAL, this model has been taken from a moods, MOODS. The real meaning of moods is the mental status, the mental state of a human. A man is a product of thoughts. Sometimes he will give you suggestion. Sometimes he will not give you suggestion, he will give you order. Sometimes your chances for any program will be of the very high possibility. Sometimes of your program and the occasion will be of the very lean and the less possibility. Sometimes you will show your capacity. Sometimes you will not show your capacity. Sometimes you will show your certainty. Here we will discuss about the modal. Here we will discuss about the modal. This is basically a very much importance, especially in the English grammar, inclusive class 8, 9th and the 10th, because this gives the very effective, pertinent and psychological expression before the listeners. Here we will only today discuss about the pure model. I will take at least 3-day class for a model. Today I will only discuss about the pure model. The pure model is that type of model that it never changes. The basic form will constant. It will remain constant for a long period. This is the highly conservative, traditional, and that cannot be changed. And these are the models of a great uses. Here I will discuss about the can. Here I will discuss about the can. Can is basically showing the capacity. The can shows the capacity. Generally, we use can in present tense. I can do this work. Negative sense, I cannot do this work. Interrogative sense, can I do this work? Negative plus interrogative, cannot I do this work? Interrogative plus negative, can I not do this work? Again the 5W1H family. How can I do this work? Negative sense, how can not I do this work? When can I do this work? When can I do not do this work? Who can do this work? Who cannot do this work? Means कि only The sentence is the changing, but see the varieties and the uses of the can. Whatever the sentence I put up before you, it only shows capacity, capacity, capacity. You can take use of this can as a capacity, as a negative capacity, as an interrogative capacity, as a negative interrogative capacity, as a negative interrogative capacity, as a 5W1H interrogative plus negative capacity. So please take the best use of it. And one thing I am giving alarming sense I am giving to you, the can is only limited to the present tense. Then after I am coming with the will. Will is reserved only for the future tense. Where your possibility is of the more than the 70%, you can use their will. Practically, it is not possible to measure up the what the exactly and what the fairness and what the possibility of your program is well set in your mind. It is not known to everyone. Here, will, the possibility approx 70%. The possibility approx 70%. Here I am saying these things to you. The basic thing is there. The will, the possibility approx 70%. Means the real meaning is there. If I say I will go to Patna, means that there is a chance. Is the very fair for me to go Patna. It is only reserved for the future tense. You can say or also add the negative sentence, I will not go to Patna. Interrogative, will I go to Patna? Negative interrogative, will not I go to Patna? Again, interrogative plus negative, will I not go to Patna? 5W1H, how will I go to Patna? Negative, how will I not go to Patna? So, please understand, there is not a final formula, it is a matter of the future assumption. There is nothing, and there we don't have any yardstick to measure that the program is of the 87% and the 50% and the 40% and the 70%, but there is a chance if the program is more than 50%, that is the 60% more chance. If the program is of the 70%, that is a more chance. So here the program is of possibility of the 70%. That's why I have added the will. It is only reserved for the future tense. Here, I am here with the shall. That is also reserved for the future tense, but the one thing you should always keep in your mind, that here is also a matter of a possibility. When your approximate program is of the 30%. Means the chance is very lean. I am saying that I will beat you tomorrow. Sorry, I shall beat you tomorrow. But when the tomorrow will approach tomorrow, you will see that you are not beaten by him, whosoever said to you. So there is a very less chances of possibility. That's why I have added there the 30%. Again, this is only reserved for the future. I shall go to Patna, I shall not go to Patna, shall I go to Patna, shall not I go to Patna, shall I not go to Patna, how shall I go to Patna, how shall I not go to Patna. There are so many different sense. You can take it, use as per your need, as per your moods, as per your mental states. Then here, may. Really, the may is a word that you can use for present tense as well as sometimes for the future tense. Here is 50% plus and minus. The word may is basically used for 50% plus and the minus. If I will say today it may rain in the Motihari, it means that there is a 50% chance of raining in the Motihari, but next 50% also a very high degree of the possibility that there won't be rain. So this is basically a 50-50 chances, may, and it is used only in the present tense. Sometimes in the case of the exception, we use the may for future. here the might means the possibility is the very less. If I will say, you are only wandering here and there, you are only wandering here and there, so there is a very less possibility. There is a very less possibility of a might. Then after I come here, the must, certainty, 100%. Certainty means that there is a no if, there is a no buts, there is a no chances, there is a no fairness, there is a 100% determined example of the certainty. There is a no if word. I must do this work. In any case of the odd, I have to discharge this work. There is no choice. So, today I discussed about the can, will, shall, may, might, and the must. These are basically a pure models. Tomorrow, we will go for another type of the model. In the meantime, I am recapping. This is an important chapter. My lecture is 29th. Model is a chapter. Here we discussed, made you very much clear about the can, will, shall, may, might, must. These are the example of the pure model. And this is an important chapter for the class 8, class 9 and the class 10. Again, I am coming on the definition of the model. Model is nothing, it is simply a series of a auxiliary or a helping verb where we know much about its request, permission, advice, suggestion, capacity. In the meantime, I am closing my words, and I am very much sure that you must have gone through my lecture. Tomorrow again, I will take up again the model chapter. I have allowed the model, I have very much interested to extend model at least for a 3 class. In the meantime, be staying with your family, eat much, sleep much, study much. In the meantime, thank you very much.